What would Mother say?
Mother? What's Mother?
Why, Peter, a mother's someone who loves and cares for you and tells you stories.
Good. You can be our mother. Come on.
Now, just a minute. Let me see now. I have to pack. Oh, and I must leave a note when I'll be back. Of course, I couldn't stay too long. And then I'll have to... Oh, Neverland. Oh, I'm so happy. I think I'll give you a...
Showtime.
What's a kiss?
Sure.
Oh! Stop! Stop it, Tink!
John, wake up. He's here.
Here comes the train.
Jiminy! What in the world was that?
Tinkerbell. Don't know what that is?
I'm Michael. My name's John. How do you do?
Dude. Wow. Mother's girl will happen now. Wow.
Let's go.
Us? I should like very much to go swimming with real buccaneers. Yeah, like pirates.
Whoa. Ouch.
All right, but you gotta take orders.
Aye, sir. Me too.